And have you looked at the competition, like the TATA houses and so on, to see?
Yes, the problem is none of those are out in the market yet. They're all under development, and so it's like all companies, they're very secretive about that. We know some architects who are working for these companies, so I've sort of contacted them, but they're also a bit reluctant because they are bound by their contracts with the company. They're a little reluctant to share information. But I know that, for instance, Tata are actually working on organic composite materials made of organic waste matter and stuff. Waste matter that's come out of particle waste from factories and stuff. So they are trying to make composite bowls, base the walling on that. The problem we have with all that is unless you insulate it very well, they won't work in the climate. I'm sure they'll do something.
What we have is a good way of making insulation, which actually sequesters the styrofoam. The styrofoam is very damaging to the environment. It fills up the landfill. So by sequestering it, at least we can get it out of the landfill. And if you can increase the amount of lime that we use. Lime is carbon negative, so offset whatever else produces carbon. Cold form steel is we've got recycled steel that can be used, and it's cold form. So the word says it. So it uses far less heat and releases far less carbon than traditional cast steel. So that's fairly ecological as well. And we use native materials from renewable sources. So for that, we've got really good points for the green aspect. So we're fairly confident with that. And also it's low-tech manufacturing. So some of the other, like TATA and HP would require a huge manufacturing plant, and whereas we can actually set up something about the size of this building here, probably a tent or something. That would be a temporary. If you have like for example, a huge development like 100 units, we could set up the factory right on site. So we just have to carry like 50 meters, and then we can dismantle the factory and set it up for another development. So it could be as efficient as that. So that's very efficient transport-wise. So we really reduce the transportation. So with that, we've got an edge on that as well.